What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is finally here. After I got rid of my Fold 2, I've been anticipating this device for a while now, and it's finally here, and we're going to take a look at it. So I got mine from AT&T. They had a trade-in program where you can get $1,000 off the price of this if you traded in a phone. So I'm trading in my old Note 8 and getting $1,000 for it, and that's how I got mine. And this is the AT&T packaging. Looks like everybody else, they just put their stamp on the back of it here. So I got the Mystic Green 256 gigabytes of storage one. And so let's get into it, man. All other specs we may go over, we may not, but they're all online. Quite sure everybody's heard of all the specs on this by now. I'm excited just to take a look at the device. So here's the thin box. I've seen where they said the box is thin, but didn't realize it was this thin. So here's the device. Woo, I'm not going to turn it over yet. So they give me a SIM card and all that stuff there. And then here's your all of your stuff you get in your box, man. So you get your charging cable here, quick start guide. That's it. Nothing else. Put the box over to the side. So here's the device. Oh, very excited about this, man. So let's go ahead and get this paper off. And I don't want to see the back of it yet. Whew. Man, this is a great day. So here is the device. And let's flip it over and see. Whew, so there's the Mystic Green. And to be honest with you, it looks black to me. And in my lighting setting here, this looks black. Let me check my box here. Yeah, it's supposed to be Phantom Green. Phantom Green. I'm sorry, guys. Phantom Green. Phantom Green. So this is the Phantom Green. I was calling it Mystic Green. Excited. So here it is. There's your camera array. You got three 12 megapixel cameras on the back, wide, ultra wide, and telephoto on the back, and your flash. Got a little bit of, can't tell what that is down there, guys. Here's the 6.2 inch display on the front, and it does have a screen protect on it. And there's your front facing camera, which is a 10 megapixel camera, I believe. Now this is IPX8 water resistant as well. And then here's your side of it. You got your power button. You got your fingerprint scanner there. And then on the bottom of it, you got your charging port, microphone, speaker. And then this side, you got your SIM card tray there. And that's it, guys. Does have a screen protector here. You got your 4 megapixel camera here. As you guys see, it is picking up some fingerprints. So first, there's the first fold. Here's the hinge on it. You can see Samsung there, and feels great, man. This is green color around here as well. So yeah, man, this, in my lighting, to me, it looks black, but I can see the hint of green in there. Just a beautiful, beautiful device here. So let's go ahead and power it up. There it is. There's the Samsung logo. And I'm probably going to go ahead and put my information in, and then we'll come back. This is the Phantom Green, not Mystic. Phantom Green, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and see AT&T's logo there. So I'm going to stop it, put my information in, and come back. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have my information in. Here is the start screen. This is the wallpaper that they have. Now, this is a 6.2 inch display. This does have the 120 hertz refresh rate on it this time around. This does have the Gorilla Glass Invictus on the outside of it, so it should be pretty durable. Like I said, they do have a screen protector on it already. Let's take a look at some of the stuff that they have on here. So, of course, AT&T is going to have their bloatware there that we don't want. You got your Google suite of apps there. You got some Microsoft stuff here and your Samsung stuff. You got things like calendar, calculator. There is Facebook there already. Samsung Notes, visual voicemail, things of that nature. So you can't get rid of the AT&T bloatware. That's one bad thing about these devices. So when you get to your drop-down menu here, you're going to have things like devices, media, where you can go in and set that stuff up. You're going to have your mobile hotspot, power, saving mode, link to Windows, nearby share, smart view, Dex, of course, is there, dark mode. And then when you go into your settings, this is your settings menu here. I haven't added any apps on here, so we're going to take a look at and see how much storage right out of the box you're going to get on this device. So I can't find it looking at it here, so let's just go ahead and search. So out of the box, you're going to have 38.21 U's out of the 256, so that's what you're going to get. Let's go back to the menu here, and let's see what we're running on for our software. So 3.1.1 Android 11 is what we got there, and the Android security patch July 1st, 2021. So that is it. This is the outside display right here, the 6.2 inch. And then we're going to open it up. And here it is. I did set up my fingerprints on here already, so let's try that out. Let's go ahead and press it, and there it is. So fingerprint pretty fast. So this is your 7.6 inch. There's your 5 megapixel camera over there. Does have a screen protector on here. Look like it already. And so yeah, man, this thing is fast. You got your Google stuff over here, feed or whatever you call that. And then over here, this is what you got. Pretty fast, man. Looks excellent. I can feel the separation there. Not too bad though. But this is nice, man. I really and truly wanted this back, and this is what you got here. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a little size comparison. Here it is open. As you can see, very thin. I like the aspect of the tablet feel here. There's that. All right, so let's go ahead and do a little comparison here. So here it is next to my Samsung Galaxy Note 20. As you guys see, the Note 20 is a little bit taller than this. Of course, this is and wider. As you guys see, this is going to be thicker, of course. There's the back of it, the camera array. Note 20 still in 2021 is still a great device. So here it is next to the Google Pixel 5a, and there's a comparison between the two green colors there. As you guys see, pretty close, but this one seems a little bit lighter. The Google Pixel is a little bit shorter, a little bit wider, but that's that right there. Let's go ahead and get that screen back on. Both of them have the same, I think the Pixel display is a little bit taller, I think. So here's the Google Pixel display. Let's go ahead and open this back up. So here are the two displays here. 6.2, 6.3, pretty close to the same size. And then if we want to see it in comparison to the Microsoft Surface Duo, here it is. These are both of them closed right here. Let's go ahead and do that. Get this open. So here's the Duo right here, and here's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Let's go ahead and open them both up. So there's the Duo, and here's the Fold 3. You guys see the Duo is definitely going to be wider, a whole lot wider than the Z Fold 3, and it's definitely going to be thinner as well. The Z Fold 3 is thin, but and there it is right there. The Microsoft Surface Duo is just about as wide as it closed, so that tells you how much screen real estate you get with the Microsoft Surface Duo. But here it is, guys. This is just my first look and first impressions of this device. This is running the 888 Snapdragon processor. It has 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. So that is it. I'm going to do some more videos on this coming up, cases and things of that nature. So catch you guys in the next video. Wheels, gadgets, and more. I'm out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.